Whenever you need a list of all the files and folders, just right-click an empty spot in the folder and click Get List. To add this option to your right-click menu, there are two quick steps we need to go through. In the first step, you create a batch file, and in the second step, you add it to the context menu by editing the registry. You need to do these two steps only the first time. Step 1. To create the batch file, open Notepad or Notepad++. Type the following text exactly as shown. Click on File and Save. You can save it wherever you want, but just remember the location. Delete the whole file name and type whatever you want for the file name. The file extension needs to be .bat, not .txt, and click on Save. If you accidentally saved it as a text file, .txt, then open File Explorer and click on the View tab and check the box that says File Name Extensions. And then right-click on the file name and click on Rename. And then just delete the extension and type bat and hit enter. Now that the batch file is created, let's move on to the second step, which is to get the batch file onto the right-click menu. Step 2. Before adding the entry to the registry, take a backup. I would also recommend creating a system restore point. Neither of these two steps is necessary, but it's always good practice before editing the registry. Check the timestamps in the description to jump to the registry backup section and the system restore section. To add the file to the right-click menu, open the registry editor by pressing the Windows and R keys. Type regedit and click on OK. Scroll up to the first section, HKey classes root. Expand it by clicking on the right arrow beside it. Scroll down to the directory key, expand it, and then go to background, and then right-click on shell, go to new, click on key, rename it to whatever you want, hit enter, right-click on the key you just created, and click on new, click on key, type command, hit enter. Now go to File Explorer and locate the batch file that we created. Hold down the Shift key and right-click on the .bat file. Click on Copy as Path. Go back to the registry editor and double-click on Default and press the Ctrl and V keys. It should paste the complete path to the batch file, and then click on OK. Close the registry editor by clicking on File and Exit. You should now see the entry in the right-click menu. Depending on the format of the output required, you can modify the batch file. It's quite easy. All you need to do is make some changes between the %1 and the greater than sign. Before making any changes, let's see how the commands work. The dir command is used to display all the files and folders. The %1 is used to tell the dir command to display the files and folders from the current directory. Whatever folder you right-click in is the current directory. The greater than sign is used to tell the dir command to put the file and folder list into this file. File.tmp is the name of the file, and %temp% is the path to this file. The start command opens Notepad and displays the contents of this file in it. The simplest version of the program is with nothing in between the %1 and the greater than sign. Let's save it and check the output. It displays the header, summary, date and time of file creation, and the file and folder names. If you want only the file and folder names, then use the /B switch. If you want to sort the files and folders by name, ascending order, use the /O switch. The attribute G is used to group the folders and place them above the files, and the attribute N is used to sort files and folders alphabetically in ascending order. To list only folders, use the switch A with the attribute D. To display only files, use the switch A with attribute -D. To display only files from all subfolders, use the switch S and the switch A with the attribute -D. To list only folders from all subfolders, use the switch S and the switch A with the attribute D. If you'd like the Notepad window to come up in the maximized mode, use the /max switch with the start command. If you'd like to display the list in Excel, all you need to do is replace Notepad with Excel. If you'd like to display the list in Microsoft Word, replace Notepad with WinWord. If you want the temporary file deleted after you're done processing and saving the file to another location, add the delete command on the third line. You will also have to add the /wait switch after the start command on the second line. Else it will close the Notepad window and delete the file as soon as it's created, before you can get a chance to view the file. To back up the registry, press the Windows and R keys, type regedit and click on OK. Click on File, choose Export, choose the location, type in a file name like Registry Backup. Select the All Radio button under the Export Range section and click on Save. To make a system restore point in Windows 10, in the search bar, type Create a restore point and click on it. Select the system drive, the C drive, and click on the Create button. Type a name, click on OK, and close the window. Later, if you decide you no longer need this entry and you'd like to delete it from the right-click menu, do the following. Open the registry editor, navigate to the key that you created and delete it. delete the command key first, and then the parent key. If you like the content, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.